Part 1. Bind the app with your smart lock. Install Sciener app. Register your account and open the app. Click the elevator icon in the upper left corner and then click Add Lock to bind the app with your smart lock. After touching the door lock, please click the blue plus sign in the Near Locks option. You will name the lock as an administrator. Part 2. Bind the gateway with Sciener app. Press and hold the setting button on the gateway. When the green and red lights flash, it means the gateway enters the adaptation mode. Open the Sciener app. Click the elevator icon in the upper left corner to get the setting page. Click the gateway, and then click the plus sign to enter the configuration page. Input the Wi-Fi passcode and meanwhile name the gateway. Click to the next step. Please wait patiently for binding. Part 3. Set the Alexa app. Choose the Skills and Games option to get into the skill store. Input the Sciener Smart in the search bar. In the search results, you will see the Sciener Smart skill, and then click to enter the details. Input your Sciener account for authorization. When the authorization is complete, return to the Amazon Alexa app to click the Discover Device option. Wait for a moment for automatic configuration. When the configuration is complete, please click the home door lock you just added. Click the 3 points icon in the upper right corner and click the Unlock by Voice button to enter the configuration page. Set the voice confirmation code, and then verify the account. Then the function of Unlock by Voice will be automatically enabled, and the configuration is finished.
Alexa, unlock home.
What's your voice code for home?
1414.
Unlocking. Hang on. The home is unlocked.